The fecal occult blood test, or FOBT, is the most prevailing screening test for early detection of colorectal cancer. Thanks to its simplicity and high throughput, FOBT is considered the most appropriate screening test before troublesome close examinations. FOBT can be divided into the guaiac method and immunological method. Among them, the guaiac method is currently the mainstream around the world. However, immunological methods have prevailed in Japan and is now being promoted in the United States, since the official institution, the Centers of Medicare and Medicaid Services, decided to reimburse for immunoassay-based FOBT. It is also FDA approved and CE registered. The guaiac method has the following problems. Since red meat, green and yellow vegetables, and vitamin C can affect test results, it requires dietary restrictions which starts 3 days prior to the test and lasts for at least 1 week until the test ends. Non-specific reactions often occur. Samples laid on cards are bad smelling. Samples might be squeezed out when folding the cards. It is not hygienic when storing or transporting samples. Samples smell during measurements. The guaiac method has further disadvantages regarding the accuracy, efficiency, and the sampling bottle disposing. OC Sensor microsystem, developed by Aiken Chemical, is a fully automated analyzer utilizing the principles of latex agglutination immunoturbidimetry. It is hygienic, easy to operate, high performance, and overcomes the downside of the guaiac method.
OC Sensor microsystem is totally different from the guaiac method. It employs the principle of latex agglutination immunoturbidimetry, which is suitable for automation. Not only addressing the problems of the guaiac method, OC Sensor microsystem realizes simple, hygienic, and accurate testing procedures for everyone. Here are the advantages of using the OC Sensor microsystem immunological method produced by Aiken Chemical compared to the guaiac method. It does not require any dietary restrictions since the test is not affected by foods and vitamin C. It is hygienic to use plastic airtight sampling bottles instead of paper cards. No need to lay samples on cards. Patients just insert samples into sampling bottles. The amount of samples taken is very small, always approximately 10 mg regardless of stool types. Separately sold collection paper can make sample procedure at flash laboratory easier. It is hygienic for storing and transporting as well. Samples never smell since sampling bottles remain closed even during measurements. It is highly hygienic since you never contact with samples. Data is objective, determined by analyzers. In addition to qualitative results, numerically expressed results of hemoglobin concentration are given. It can perform a large number of assays. The number of examinees for FOBT and patient compliance will be increased due to simple and hygienic sample process. As described above, innovative OC Sensor microsystem utilizing latex agglutination immunoturbidimetry can address conventional problems of FOBT based on the guaiac method. It brings about simple and hygienic screening procedures for detection of colorectal cancer.